Well, the former Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Mehbooba Mufti has tweeted a government notice and has claimed that she has been denied a passport citing security reasons. She had tweeted a short while back saying that is she a threat to the nation, where Mehbooba Mufti has hit out at the government after her passport application was rejected. She tweeted saying that a passport has been rejected by the central government based on a report, an adverse report by the CID. So she's questioning those claims when a passport that had expired on the 31st of May and she had wanted to renew her passport. Let me go across to Gursimran now, who is joining us live on this breaking update, because Mehbooba continues to question the centre. Not something very new there, but now she is citing and attacking the government as to saying that why and how does she become a threat, a national security threat to India, why her passport application that has been rejected.
No doubt she has been attacking the union government, but the reality is that the passport verification is a mandatory process that every citizen of the India has to go through. And the report that has been given by the Additional Director General of the CID Jammu and Kashmir is not in favor of Mehbooba Mufti, and she has been denied the passport under the Section 2C of the 1967 Passport Act, which says that if any individual, the applicant, goes out of the country, it can be detrimental for the security of the country, and that's why she has been denied the passport as per the order that she has received from the regional passport officer or from the Srinagar, that is from the Ministry of External Affairs. But that is totally on the security aspects the CID has gone through. It is a multi-level process verification that CID goes through, and after the detailed verification, then only they submit the report to the passport officer. And this is not for the first time that she has attacked the union government. Earlier we have seen when she was not, her passport was delayed, she hit out at the union government. Even she moved to the Jammu and Kashmir High Court, which ordered the Jammu and Kashmir government to go through this process and to go through this process at an earliest. And
right.
The Jammu and Kashmir government
so once again attacking the government there over the application of a passport renewal being denied, and that is Mehbooba Mufti once again, who is saying that is she really a threat to the national security. Thanks very much, Gursimran, for joining us. That was a quick EBIX Cash News Alert.